There is no relief for Reliance ADAG Chief Anil Ambani. The Supreme Court has postponed to Monday the hearing on his plea to quash the summons issued to him by a CBI court in the 2G case. Remember, he and his wife Tina Ambani were both made prosecution witnesses and had been summoned by the trial court. And with the Supreme Court now postponing the hearing to Monday, they will have to appear before the court tomorrow. The CBI wants to investigate the alleged investment made by Reliance Anil Ambani Group in Swan Telecom, which is of course another company that is under the lens as far as the 2G spectrum auction is concerned. Headlines today, Jaskirat Singh Baba joins us live on that story. So they're going to appear before court tomorrow, Jaskirat?
Well, absolutely. Now, Anil Ambani has been summoned and there's no relief for him. This is the third time that Reliance Telecom has approached the Supreme Court in the last 4 days to try and question the CBI judge's order, O.P. Saini's order, in the summoning of the new witnesses and the listing of the new prosecution witnesses. Now, Anil Ambani is not an accused, so he cannot oppose this particular move in the Supreme Court himself. Reliance Telecom is an accused, and what they're opposing in the Supreme Court is the altogether new list of prosecution witnesses approved by O.P. Saini. The Supreme Court, in its wisdom, feels that there is already a 2G bench led by Justice Singhvi and now Justice Radhakrishna, which will hear the matter because they are anyways overseeing the entire investigation and the overall trial. And this bench has not sat yesterday, today, and is unlikely to sit together tomorrow, which means it can only get listed for next week, likely to be Monday. But since this delay has happened, since for the 3 times that Reliance Telecom has approached the Supreme Court in the last 4 days, the Supreme Court has not accepted or agreed to hear their plea against the new list of witnesses. Anil Ambani alone, who was summoned for tomorrow, will have to come tomorrow. Now, if he doesn't turn up, that does not mean that there'll be anything very adverse against him. There could be a second summon orders also, but as of now, there is no relief from the higher judiciary body for Anil Ambani.
All right, very quickly, Jaskirat, can you also tell our viewers exactly what is going to be the line of questioning and what the relation between Reliance ADAG and Swan is, because of which Anil and Tina Ambani have been called as prosecution witnesses?
Well, Anil and Tina Ambani both have been named along with others as prosecution witnesses. For now, it's Anil Ambani who received the summon, and the line of questioning is expected to be on lines of the fact that Swan Telecom was used as a shell company to acquire more licenses that would have been normally accepted or been able to acquire as per the telecom policy at that time. So, the more of the line of questioning would also be about the possibility of kickbacks coming from either Reliance or through Swan Telecom. And those are some of the questions that we actually expect to come up in the special CBI judge O.P. Saini's court tomorrow.